Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today is our third video on the Navratri, food that is permitted to be eaten. So now in this I have some nuts, crystallized ginger and coconuts. I have cashew nuts, almonds, peanuts, crystallized ginger. Ginger in our first video we have also showed that is permitted. This is crystallized ginger which is also permitted. And also coconut. Coconut will be used in many things during this Navratri. I even have few desserts that I will be doing with with coconut. So these are the ingredients. So nuts, it's permitted. Any kind of nuts is permitted. Coconut, it's part of it. It's part of the vegetables also, which is you are permitted to eat during this Navratri. It can be coconut milk, it can be coconut based product, it is still permitted. So these are the items that can be used during Navratri. It sounds quite vegan, but it's not 100% vegan. So before that, let's get into the other video. I'll be leaving you with this. So do check out my next video on my Navratri set Navratri special number 4. So we will see what are the ingredients that we can eat in that Navratri festival. So those who are new, welcome aboard, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And those who are there with me, thank you very much, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, happy Navratri. See you then. Bye bye. Take care for now.